In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own Blogger template from scratch. An exciting journey, whether you're a coding aficionado or someone who prefers a visual approach. We'll explore an option that doesn't require any coding skills, using a template builder. Specifically, we'll delve into Template Toaster, a versatile design tool that makes crafting Blogger templates both simple and intuitive. To start, you'll need to download and install Template Toaster. Conveniently, the tool offers a free trial, allowing you to explore its features without any initial financial commitment. Once you've installed the app, open it up. You'll be prompted to select a platform. In our case, choose Blogger, and then select the option to start from scratch. This is where the creativity begins. Within Template Toaster, you'll have a playground of design possibilities at your fingertips. The app equips you with a user-friendly set of drag-and-drop controls, empowering you to easily customize various elements of your template. You can dive into designing the header, curating a menu that fits your style, and organizing the sidebar and content areas. Don't forget to give your footer a unique touch and experiment with various fonts and colors until everything feels just right. The enjoyable part of this process is the flexibility it offers, allowing you to fine-tune each segment to align perfectly with your vision. After you've meticulously crafted your template, it's time to export your masterpiece. Template Toaster facilitates this process by generating an .xml file, which you can save directly to your computer. If you prefer, the app can even upload your template straight to your Blogger account, streamlining the process and saving you time. Now, let's migrate this new design to your Blogger site. Head over to your Blogger dashboard and navigate to the Theme section. Once there, click on Backup, Restore. This is a crucial step, especially the backup part, as it allows you to save your current theme in case you ever wish to revert back. Next, you'll upload your newly created template by selecting the Browse option to find the exported .xml file on your computer. Upload it, and like magic, your new design is live. This approach to designing a Blogger template is not only straightforward, but also quite rewarding, as it hands you the reins to shape your blog visually without needing to dive into complex coding. Whether you're looking to refresh your blog's appearance or start a new one altogether, Template Toaster provides a robust, user-friendly solution that can help bring your creative ideas to life effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide inspires you to take your blog's design to the next level.